Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to hide your phone number in Telegram. First, expand to more options and go to settings. In here, go to privacy and security. At the privacy section, you can decide who can see your phone number. You can make it visible to everybody, my contacts, or nobody. In our case, we're interested in the nobody option. Once you select nobody, the who can find me by my number option appears, which can be everybody or only contacts. There's also an option to add exceptions for whom you always allow your number to be seen. That was it for this video. Thank you for watching, and bye.